It's another lazy Sunday. Kick back and relax with ArtisanEnglish.jp as we provide some food for your mind. For our main course, we'll learn something about strong suit.
While a power suit is something you wear to appear competent and confident, your strong suit is something at which you excel. Most people can very quickly create a list of the things they consider weaknesses, such as public speaking or sports. Ask them, however, to create a list of their strong suits, and many will struggle. This is because people often lack confidence in themselves and their abilities. It's why so many of us suffer from imposter syndrome when meeting new people in our fields or joining new companies. Yes, wearing a power suit and striking a power pose in the mirror, with your hands on your hips and your feet shoulder-width apart, may help you to feel and appear more confident. Unless you know what your strong suit is and work daily to strengthen that, your power suit and pose are nothing but flash and dash with no substance behind them. We all have strong suits. We need to identify them and work hard to strengthen them even more. Did you know that some successful people, such as Barack Obama and Bill Gates, follow the 5-hour rule? They spend at least 5 hours each week on personal improvement. This means they have created a habit of either working to strengthen their already strong suits, or discovering areas which require some modification, and working to enhance those. Humans admire and strive for perfection. The funny thing is that perfection is never attained. Today's perfection is tomorrow's work in progress. So, if you want to be seen as confident and competent in life, discover your strong suits and work to improve them.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll receive the benefit of daily updates and we'll have the opportunity to help you improve your English repertoire. Thanks.
Cheers for putting us into your ears. For 100% correction, real conversation, and authentic communication, sign up for a trial lesson with David at ArtisanEnglish.jp. Until next time, maintain your discipline and learn something new every day.